Hello everyone, my name is Pradeepkumar KP. I am an engineer's mindset coach. I belong to Coimbatore. I am on a mission to transform 1 million engineers to excel in their profession by resetting their mindset. And I am also helping them to apply digital tools and skills for their growth and also to set up a highly successful knowledge business. My purpose is to promote an education system that will help engineers to achieve high income and happy living and to lead a purposeful life. This will empower engineers to contribute towards a sustainable and resilient society by creating technologies and providing knowledge for its application and utilization. For this, I am building a community of engineers known as true technical resource utilization expert to take maximum and better utilization of all technical resources. This community will help engineers to build capacities to acquire the same. Thank you.